On one occasion, the Prophet ﷺ has Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu and a few other companions together with him. So he sees that a lady is running helter-skelter in order to find her lost infant, lost child. And she is searching for her child in the POWs. There were some people who were caught, and amongst them were young boys and girls. So she is searching for her boy. The minute she finds her son, her infant, her baby, the breastfeeding son, yeah, she immediately starts breastfeeding the baby. And then the Prophet ﷺ asks the companions this question: "Tarawna hadihi al-mar'ata tarihatan waladaha fi an-nar?" Do you see that in your senses or in her senses, she is going to throw this baby in the fire? The companions, all of them reply in unison, "Never, nay, it is impossible." You know, in her senses, she would never ever do something like this because she loves the baby so much. Look at the way she is breastfeeding him. So the Prophet ﷺ said, "Lallahu arhamu bi'ibadihi min hadihi biwaladiha." That the Prophet ﷺ says, Allah Azza wa Jal is even more merciful to us, to his slaves, than this lady, than the kind of mercy this lady is showing to her son. So this is how merciful Allah Azza wa Jal is.